Welcome back, babe. So, to start this hair, I start off just the way you would a mohawk hairstyle. I sectioned off the two sides and the middle where I am going to have individual braids. So, it tapers towards the end as you can see in the video. And then I finished off one side on camera, but I am going to replicate the exact same design on this side. So, that is what you're going to see me do now. I want to implore you as you watch the video, please be supportive by not skipping the ads. And if you know anyone who would love this video, please share with them. It helps the channel to do better and to grow. So you can see the way I am feeding in the hair extensions for this feeding mohawk braided hairstyle. And I am going to slow it down accordingly whenever I am doing anything interesting or very interesting. But for now, you can just see the simple way I feed in the hair extension. I don't do it like feed it in, take off one leg, then at the next step you add the other leg. No, I just scoop in the extension and braid. And of course, we are doing the one big, one small, because it makes a braid hairstyle look more spicy, in my humble opinion. So I just add a little hair to the tiny braid, not too much, and make it as small as I felt comfortable with. So I am just going to let you continue watching because I don't think there's any need for me to keep talking. But you're going to see, like when I am done braiding the front side of this half, you're going to see the slight change in design at the back side. When I was done with all the braids, I trimmed it with the scissors to take away the flyaways, like the excess flyaways at least. And then I proceeded to dip the braids in hot water, and I also used like a towel with the hot water squeezed out to just massage, or I lay it down on the individual braids in the middle to make them more relaxed and less painful, while not touching her scalp, please. All those unnecessary hot water massage and very unnecessary pain. So I just did that slightly. Then after that, I proceeded to wrap the hair around and sew all those buns I made. I had to sew them so that it won't come undone until we are ready to change the design of her hair. So after a week or after some days, she's going to come back and I will take down those buns, those tiny buns I made, and make it into like one big packing in the middle to look like this. I am going to insert a picture here so that you see what I mean. So we are going to change the style into like 2 or 3 different designs in the course of the period she will be having the hairstyle. If it's not versatile, what's the use? Like, why? So you're going to see all that, and let me just let you keep watching. That is what happened last when I was done. I then applied very little, like very little edge control to her edges, very almost nothing actually, because we decided to rest from hair. We decided to just let gels rest for a while on her hair. So I just applied very little, and I want to seriously appreciate her for letting me film her hair. She's like an amazing human being, and I thank God for her, and I pray that God just continues to bless and increase her, like amen, amen, and amen. So let me let you watch. see you in my next video. Thank you so much for every time you spend here.